Hello there. Welcome to Success Online Australia, where we share our knowledge on growing your sales through strategic planning on web development and optimization. In this video, we are going to share the 5 basic principles for a good website design. Any website depends on how its web design is. It is basically how users learn what your market is all about. Having a concise content is part and parcel of an effective and creative design. Here are some guidelines on what makes a good website design. First, it is all about simplicity, simple understandable navigation, short precise content explanation of your market, relevant images and other elements that will support your content. Second, you must be consistent. The users should directly grasp the flow of information and can comprehend it easily. Third, make your text stand out and readable. A website should be well read and free from errors. Fourth, choose the right colors. The color wheel helps you choose what colors complement or contrast each other. Fifth, everything must be in place. All elements, texts, images, and colors should go well together and are organized accordingly. These are the 5 basic principles you need for a good website design. But wait, there's more. Since you made it at this point of the video, as a way of saying thank you to you, here is another tip that can make your website design even better. Accessibility. Your website must be accessible to all forms of systems, browsers, and devices as possible. To get more design tips videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you'd like help putting these cool ideas to work in your website, visit us at successonline.com.au. We'd love to help you.